Good afternoon, student. Today we will start next exercise, and the next exercise topic and examples first we will cover, and then we will start the exercise, right? So from starting the exercise, it is given here line parallel to the same lines, means if two lines are parallel and that is parallel to the third line, then all lines are parallel. देखो, if two lines are parallel to the same line, means if two lines are parallel to the same line, then they will be parallel to each other. Then they will parallel to each other, means we have to check if these lines are parallel, then they are parallel to each other or not. Suppose L and M are parallel, right? L parallel to M, right? If L and M are parallel, then angle 1 and angle 2 are equal because of corresponding angles. ठीक है, same as M parallel to N. If M and N are parallel, then angle 2 and angle 3 are corresponding angles. If angle 1 and 2 are equal, 2 and 3 are equal, then from 1 and 2, angle 1 equal to angle 3. 1 and 3 are equal, means if two corresponding angles are equal, then lines are parallel. If corresponding converse of corresponding angles, if corresponding angles are equal, then lines are parallel, right? So first let these two lines are parallel, angle 1 and angle 2 are corresponding angle. These two lines are parallel, then 2 and 3 are corresponding, but we have to prove that M, L and N are also parallel. So from 1 and 2, both angles came equal, 1 and 3. If two corresponding angles are equal, then lines are parallel because 1 and 3 are corresponding angles. If corresponding angles equal, then lines are parallel because of converse of corresponding theorem, that is, if two angles, corresponding angles are equal, then lines are parallel, and if lines are parallel, then their corresponding angles are equal. So this proves that if two lines are parallel and second line is parallel to the third line, then first and third are also parallel, means if two lines are parallel to the same lines are parallel to each other, right? I hope this understand to all, right? This theorem is also there. Lines which are parallel to the same line are parallel to other. That we have proved here. This theorem is same as this that we have now proved. So we will not prove again this theorem, because in that theorem this is also given the same thing, that two lines are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other, right? That now we have already proved. So we will go to the example number 4. Look at here, figure is given to us, PQ and RS are parallel. This line and this line are parallel given to us, and angle MXQ, this is X. MXQ is 135 degree and MYR is 40 degree. Find XMY, this full angle we have to find. So we will draw one more line, this AB, that is parallel to PQ and parallel to RS, because we have proved that theorem earlier now, that two lines are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other, right? So we will start the proof. Draw a parallel line AB that is parallel to PQ and AB parallel to RS, right? If PQ and AB are parallel, so angle XQXM plus angle XMB, this angle, this and this, these two angles is equal to 180 degree because of co-interior angles. What are co-interior angles? Co-interior angles are those angle whose interior angle sum is 180 degree, that is called co-interior angle. ठीक है, this and this sum is 180 degree, that are called co-interior angle. Otherwise we can say that interior angles on the same side are supplementary. Supplementary means 180 degree angle will be there, right? So this and this is 180 degree sum. QXM is 135 degree, already we are having, and XMB equal to 180 degree. So what is XMB? 180 minus 135, that is 45 degree. So it is 45 degree now came, right? Now we need this. If it will come, then put total sum we will do, then XMY angle will come, है ना? Now AB and RS are parallel. AB parallel to RS. If AB and RS are parallel, MY is the transversal. So this angle and this angle are alternate interior angle. So we can say that BMY is equal to angle MYR. What's the reason here? Alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angles are equal because lines are parallel. ठीक है, so BMY is also 40 degree because MYR is 40, so BMY is also 40, right? So this is now 40 came. So total XMY is equal to angle XMY is equal to angle XMB plus angle BMY. XMB is 45 degree, we have already found, and BMY is 40 degree. So total is 85 degree. So XMY angle is full is 85 degree. 45 plus 40, that will be 85 degree, right? Again I am telling, look, two lines are already given parallel, and this X M Y angle we have to find. We will draw a parallel line that is parallel to PQ and RS, right? And we have proved one theorem also. If two lines are parallel to each other and one line is parallel to other line, then all three lines are parallel to each other, right? So we will prove, we have already proved this theorem, that we will use here. If two lines are parallel, then they are parallel to the third one also, right? So AB is parallel to PQ and AB is also parallel to RS. This line parallel to PQ and RS, both we have taken. So if this line and this line are parallel, so this angle and this angle, co-interior angle are there. Co-interior angle means the angle whose interior angle sum is 180 degree, that are called co-interior angles. Okay? So their sum is 180 degree. From there we will find XMB angle, that is 180 minus 135, that will be 45 degree, right? Next, this line and this line are parallel. This angle is already given 40 degree, sorry, this angle is given 40 degree. This and this both angle are alternate interior angles, so that's why this angle will also be 40 degree, right? So angle BMY is 40 degree because angle MYR is equal to BMY alternate interior angles, because alternate interior angles are equal when lines are parallel, right? So this is 40, this is 45, total sum will be 85, that we have proved only. XMY is equal to XMB plus BMY. This we have proved 45 degree, this we have proved 40 degree. So 45 plus 40, that is 85 degree, that is our answer, right? Next, if a transversal intersects two lines such that the bisector of pair of corresponding angles are parallel, then prove that two lines are parallel. Look at here. If a transversal intersect two lines are given, one transversal will intersect, that is AD, right? Such that the bisector of pair of corresponding angles. What is corresponding angle here? ABQ and BCS. These are corresponding angles. And bisector BE and CG we have taken, that are parallel, means BE and CG are parallel given, then we have to prove two lines, this and this line we have to prove parallel. So if we will prove that this and this are corresponding angles given, but we have to prove these corresponding angles are equal. If corresponding angles are equal, then lines are parallel. That only we have to prove. Means we have to prove corresponding angle ABQ and BCS are equal. That we have to prove in this theorem, right? So we will start the proof now. How we will start the proof? PQ and RS are, if a transversal intersect two lines PQ and RS are two lines such that one transversal intersect these lines at B and C point, right? Then the bisector of pair of corresponding angles, means angle ABQ bisector is B and CG are parallel given. This is also in given, right? We have to prove angle ABQ equal to angle BCS. ठीक है? If these two angles are equal, corresponding angles are equal, then lines are parallel because we know that if corresponding angles are equal, then lines are parallel. ठीक है? Means PQ parallel to RS, that we have to prove. But first we will prove ABQ equal to BCS, right? Now we will start the proof this. Yes, look at there. This and this line are parallel. This is bisector. BE is the bisector, and BE and CG are parallel. Already given to us, BE and CG are parallel. So angle ABE and angle BCG are equal because of corresponding angles. Angle ABE and BCG, right? These are corresponding angles. Because if lines are parallel given BE and CG, this is given na BE and CG. If lines are parallel, then their corresponding angles are equal. If ABE and BCG are equal, है ना? And we can write this ABQ equal to half of ABQ. ABE we can write half of angle ABQ, है ना? In the same way, BCG equal to half of angle BCS. ठीक है, देखो ABE and CG are equal, BE and CS is the bisector, so that's why angle ABE equal to half of ABQ and BCG equal to half of BCS. If these two are equal, means from 1 and 2 ABE and ECG are equal. So half of ABQ equal to half of BCS. These are also equal. Half and half will cancel from both sides. So ABQ angle we will put here. Angle ABQ equal to angle BCS. है ना? These two angles are equal. If two angles are equal, or these are corresponding angles because these are corresponding angles, so their half are also corresponding. Now full are also corresponding. ABQ and BCS are equal because of corresponding angles. Okay, these are corresponding angles. If corresponding angles are equal, then lines are lines. Which lines we were watching that? PQ and RS are parallel. Hence proved. ठीक है. Again I am telling this. देखो, we are having two lines PQ and RS. One transversal intersect that at B and C point, and BE and CG are the bisector of angle ABQ and BCS. So we have to prove angle ABQ and BCS are equal. If they are equal, corresponding angles are equal, then lines are parallel, right? So we will take first this angle and this angle because these two lines are already parallel given. So angle ABE and angle BCG are equal because of corresponding angles. If these two are equal, then there we can write BABE equal to half of ABQ and BCG equal to half of BCG equal to half of BCS because CG and BE are the bisector of these, so these are half of angles. So that's why we will write this angle and this angle are equal, and there this angle is equal to half of ABQ and this angle equal to half of BCS, right? So if these two angles are equal, then their half are also equal. So both are equal, so we can write half of ABQ equal to half of BCS. Half and half will cancel from both sides. So what is left here? ABQ and BCS. These two are equal. These two are what? Corresponding angles. If corresponding angles are equal, then lines are parallel. This only we have to prove. Now I think one question left that we will do tomorrow, and exercise also we will start tomorrow. Okay. Thanks. Thank you very much for watching this video.